Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, August the 30th, 2023, almost end of the month. We have here an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku, 4 stars Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, or they call it also tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And we have also a binary puzzle. In Japanese, taguzu. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one, 3 Stars Sudoku, number 7010. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one because actually a 3 Star Sudoku has 25 printed digits. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, 27, I think it's a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if it's really a 1 star or a 3 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Alright. How about to the 9. Okay, which number can I pick? Here I need an 8. Need a come on. 5. 7. What's happening? 1. It's a 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Yeah. 7, 4. Well, here we need a 1. There we need a 1. What's happening? Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 3. 3. Yeah, the first one. Wow, this one is complicated. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the second one. No 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in this column. No 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this column. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. We have a pair. 3 and 8 in this row. 3 and 8 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Then 1, 6, and need a 5 here. Interesting this puzzle. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Okay, 5 missing numbers in this big. 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 7 and 2, 6. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in the first column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3. Okay. three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these two boxes. One box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 9, 9. Alright. These 1, 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. Alright. How about? Yeah, I'm thinking. 8, 8, 8. 7, 7. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. 7, 8, 7. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 7 this column. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for 7. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. We have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 6 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this middle row, so no 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5, okay. Need a 6 here. Well. 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, so the 9 could be here, could be there. 2, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in this box. I cannot place the 4 here because we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the 4 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this row, middle row, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes and there. Wow. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this row is number 1. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. 8, 8, 9, 9, and 1, 1. Interesting. 1, 8, 9, missing 1 number. The 7 is missing here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 7, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Interesting. 1, 2, And 5, 1, 2, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this row. So no 1, 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 5. All right. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Okay, so 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. So we have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. Third row, 7 in the second row. So first row, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. This is a 3, okay. 7. Alright. Need a 5 here. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3, 6. The 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. Cannot fill this yet. 3, 6, 8. Okay. 4, 4, 4, 4. Interesting. We have a 5 here. 8 here, so need an 8 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 and 8. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 3 should be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6 then. Alright, so we have a 6 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have a 5 and a 6. As a pair, the other pair in this big square, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and the 8. We have a 4 now in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Yeah, I need to wait. 1 and the 5. Missing. Okay, here also 1 and 5 are missing in this column. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Yeah, all right. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, we have a 1, 2. I need to think. Come on. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. With all the 8s, yeah, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about 3? No, we have a 3 there. We have a 3 here. Alright. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So third row, now need to place the level for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 4, 4, okay. Then 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, and 6. 1, 2, and 6. Here can be 2, 2. 1, 2, and 6. Well, I need to wait here. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only 3 places left for the 6 to be here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6, 3, and 7. Well, 1, 1. Need a 1, 1, yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, there only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Come on. 2, 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 9. We have 2 and 9 last row, so no 2 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. So I've eliminated the 7 there. So the 7 goes here. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, third row. So the row between the second row, only place left for the 6, should be there. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number. We have a 1 there, so this box should be a 2. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column. Second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the second column. So third column, only place left for the 7 should be there. And the final number in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Finished in 18 minutes. Wow, tough one. Not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. This one is not easy. You need to find the numbers here. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.